Language is social and is maintained and serves the purpose of maintaining that social interaction. It's really the vehicle that enables us as humans to maintain our interactions. And so if we can learn how that works and we can translate that into effective procedures, we can teach children who don't learn those kinds of skills, the language of verbal behavior and the natural contingencies. We can understand how it works and we can recreate those contingencies, then we can establish verbal behavior. Verbal behavior in the Skinnerian analysis gives us interventions that establish language under the natural sources of control. And that is really what this conference is about, is it's sort of furthering that analysis and putting practitioners in contact with the latest developments and the latest analysis.
ABA is a way of looking at the world, and that's something that I learned when I started studying to become a behavior analyst. It's not just teaching procedures, it's a way of viewing the world where you can look at someone's behavior and begin to understand what happens before, what happens after, and how you can teach it, how it is maintained in an environment. And ABA takes any skill that you want to teach and breaks it down into itty-bitty pieces and then teaches them systematically. And verbal behavior then is application of that concept to verbal skills. And as a speech pathologist, that was very exciting for me to learn that you could take language development, break it down into tiny pieces, in fact verbal operants, and then teach each of those individually. That was life-changing for me.
Using the analysis of verbal behavior to increase communication skills, having students request things that they want, label things in their environment, answer questions, ask questions, and it's just the most effective tool and set of strategies for teaching students who have autism.